Hey, please, we need to hurry up, oh, because I don't want to get ticket for that place where we park, oh, because those people, they sabi give ticket, please. The hairdresser people that tying Gèlè, I don't know them really, but as we park here now, I don't want the car to be too long. Hello, my sister.
When can I tie my Gèlè?
Do you know any hairdresser that used to tie Gèlè?
I think there's if you go to this side, on your third shop.
The third shop?
There's a shop.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Buckingham Daddy, correct African man. Listen, Buckingham Daddy, na correct person we sabi life. And as an African man.
Hello.
Hi, hello.
Please, can you tie Gèlè for me?
Yes, I can
Yeah?
try, yes.
Okay.
Now, we bought the tie Gèlè.
Oh,
Yeah,
of course,
she
I'm
said
cool.
she can do it.
I know how to tie Gèlè.
You sure?
Yeah, I learned in Ibadan.
She
learn
wants
it?
Ibadan.
Yes, Ibadan. Yeah.
Ibadan.
Yeah.
What is your name?
Ajoke.
Eh?
Ah,
Egbami.
Adam.
Ajo what?
Ajoke.
Ajoke.
Uh-huh.
Hey, mo tún gbọ́ tuntun. Okay. Okay. Eh? Gently
I
now.
need to strong it.
Okay.
You need to
I
strong
need
it.
it stronger.
Okay.
Professional.
Please, gently. Oh.
This.
Ah.
We're almost late.
Don't worry. When the tie is finished now.
Hey, finish now.
I don't know why you two want to tie Gèlè again.
I like
This hair is fine already.
Babe.
Eh? It's fine already. But it's good, yeah. They will know that Olori today. What are you doing?
It's strong, oh.
You want to strangle her?
No, it has to be strong.
No. Wait. Remove it first. See, come tie the Gèlè on my head. Then you will I will put it on my head. Come, my dear. Come. You know that?
What
You
kind
want
of
to kill her?
Nigerian woman is this?
Why you can't Nigerian woman? You think her body is a stone? Her body is a stone.
Nigerian woman is strong head.
It's strong head, so that you can kill her for me.
It's tight.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now.
Tie it on my head, then you come put it on her head.
What kind of head is that? It's shiny, oh. That
What?
will be slippery that they get it. Let me put glue, oh.
Put glue for me. I didn't say you should gum it on my head. I said tie it on my head, then we put it on my wife's head.
I will not go.
What you no go?
That side will not match that one.
Please tie
Anyway,
the
now.
thing. Not be my wife head. Wait now. Wait, which one be again?
Wait a minute.
Gently.
Yeah.
Hey, what?
Now stylish.
Wait
Wait a minute.
a minute. Are you
Stylish. Apollo.
are you fighting tiger?
Beautiful, oh.
Wait, but beautiful one.
It's not.
No.
Let me grab the pillow.
No.
It's
No.
so tight.
I know. Wait.
What
Wait.
kind of
You want to kill me?
Now let me show you this.
Not trying anything. Are you fighting tiger?
I'm trying to put
I
you
don't want Gèlè anymore. I don't want.
See, no
Darling,
Gèlè
let's
anymore.
go.
Let's go.
100 there. 100.
100 what? 100 what?
100.
Give me my Gèlè. We don't want anymore. Darling, let's go.
You say you learn Gèlè at
I need my
Ibadan.
money.
At Ibadan. Is this how they tie Gèlè in
Very
Ibadan?
strong in Ibadan.
Bring Gèlè.
Give me my money.
Darling, let's go. Let's go.
My money, oh. My money,
I
oh.
will arrest you.
50 and 50.
I will arrest you.
No, I don't care.
I will call police for you.
Now I will call my people in Ibadan. Give me my
Bring-
money.
Okay,
What is
Daddy,
it?
let's go. Just
Let's
leave.
go.
Leave her the
Let's go.
What kind of people is this?
What kind of person
Go
are
back
you?
to my shop again, though.
Wait.
People.